Hello everyone, welcome to Brainstem.Health Shipyard Milestone 2. I want to quickly go back to the Milestone 1 to refresh your memory. So we have on the left side, we have a user which is recording data using Brainstem's wristband and then shares the data over a Brainstem DataUnion Health data cloud with another user using explicit consent over a data token and Ocean Protocol's data NFTs. Okay, let's move on to milestone number 2. Let's move forward with milestone number 2. So you can see here now things are getting a little bit more complicated. But what we added here now is a bot and a doctor. So basically now there's also the option to write a report about the data that is getting shared. And so now the user records data with a wristband. They share it with the eHealth cloud. Then the bot gets a data token to access the data. It reports on the data and sends that back basically to the cloud. And the doctor in the telehealth, it can access the data and the bot's report, take this into consideration also by having a data token. And then it can the doctor writes back a report and then the user can see both of the reports. I'm going to show this also in the video. So first, this is the phone of the user. So the user did a recording already. And now the user is creating a data share. This takes a little bit.
A few moments later.
So now the user decides to share with the doctor and the bot. So now the data tokens are getting minted and are getting sent to these parties so that they can access the data. This is done, and now we can already see the report of the bot, but we have to wait a little bit longer until the doctor has done it. Okay, the doctor also added the report for the user. Here we're seeing now the bot here represented by a user. So this is on an iPad, and the bot is checking its wallet, and it sees, I got a new data token, and it determines over the cloud APIs which data share this is, and is now able to spend the data token to get access to the data. As it now has access to the data, it can create a report, and now we're writing about a posture change and adding some information here, just as an example. So there's a title and also a body. So like the bot could also add other data by processing the data, but yeah, in this case we just do the report of the bot, and it was successful. The next step is that here we are the doctor. So like the doctor is now getting access on checking for data shares. So like it basically checks its wallet, what data tokens do I have, and yeah, it found one, and now it's accepting the data share.
A few moments later.
So after the data share is accepted, we can check the content of the data share and see, here's a report of the bot. So like this was the posture change, which was done right before. And now there's the option to create a report by the doctor. So the doctor does that. Here we're talking about also the posture change, but as a title we use also some example data here, just as a showcase. After the doctor has written the report, the next step is to submit the report. And that's it. So the report was sent successfully, and we can now check the results in the user's phone. So like this, we are back here with the user's phone, and now the user can see, I have two reports, one from the bot. So here we can see posture and posture change, what we added with the bot, and now we can also see from the doctor the information. All of this was done using Ocean Protocol's technology and the DataUnion Brainstem.Health eHealth cloud. So by using these APIs, we can now send data tokens, use data tokens to get access to information shared with consent of the user, and add additional information, aka reports, to the data, which is then useful for the user itself. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.